Hello, students. How are you all? Today we are going to learn about animal and their sounds. How they sounds. So let's see which animal makes which type of sounds. So let's see our first animal. This is cat. C-A-T. Cat. Cat makes sound meow. M-E-A-W. Meow. Now next, dog. D-O-G. Dog. Dog makes bark. B-A-R-K. Bark. Dog makes sound bark. We have next bee. B-double-E. Bee. Bee makes sounds buzz. How they make sounds? Buzz. B-U-Z-Z. Buzz. Bee makes sound buzz. We have next duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Duck makes sound quack, quack, quack. Q-U-A-C-K. Quack. Ducks make sounds quack. We have next animal, lion. And lion makes sounds roar. R-O-A-R. Roar. Lion makes sounds roar. And next animal, chick. C-H-I-C-K. Chick. And chick makes sounds crip. C-H-I-R-P. Crip. We have next rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. And rooster makes sounds crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. We have next elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. And elephant makes sounds trumpet. T-R-U-M-P-E-T. Trumpet. Elephant makes sounds trumpet. Snake. Snake sounds hiss. S-N-A-K-E. Snake. Snake makes sound hiss. H-I-S-S. Hiss. Now we have next monkey. M-O-N-K-E. Monkey. And monkey makes sounds chatter, chatter. C-H-A-T-T-E-R. Chatter. We have next bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. And bear makes sounds growl. G-R-O-W-L. Growl. Next, we have dove. D-O-V-E. And dove makes sounds coo. C-O-O. Coo. Next, we have frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. And frog makes sounds ribbit. R-I-B-B-E-T. Ribbit. Now we have next animal, tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. And tiger makes sounds growl. G-R-O-W-L. O W L. Growl. Next we have bird. B I R D. Bird. And bird makes sounds tweet tweet. T W E E T. Tweet. How they make sounds? Tweet tweet. Now next we have fox. F O X. Fox. And fox makes sound yelp. Y E L P. Yelp. Now next we have panda. P A N D A. Panda. And panda makes sounds hoof. H U F F. Hoof. Now we have next mouse. M O U S E. Mouse. And mouse makes sounds quack. S Q U E A K. Squeak. Now we have next pig. P I G. Pig. And pig makes sounds oink oink. O I N K. Oink. Good. Now we have next fish. F I S H. Fish. And fish makes sounds splosh. S P L O S H. Splosh. We have next parrot. P A R R O T. Parrot. And parrot makes sounds screech. S C R E E C H. Parrot makes sounds screech. Now we have next owl. O W L. Owl. And owl makes sounds hoot. H O O T. Hoot. Now we have next snake. S N A K E. Snake. And snake makes sounds hiss. H I S S. Hiss. How they sounds? Hiss. We have next hen. H E N. Hen. And hen makes sounds cackle cackle. C A C K L E. Cackle. We have next horse. H O R S E. Horse. And horse makes sounds nee nee. N E I G H. Knee. We have next ostrich. O S T R I C H. Ostrich. And ostrich makes sounds crip. Crip. C H I R P. Crip. We have next. And so today we will learn about animal and their sounds. I hope you like this video. If you like, then like this video, subscribe this channel and comment below. Thank you. We will see you in next video. Okay, bye.